drowning in Spaylater debt but need instant cash. First, open your GCash app. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the App Store for the smoothest experience. Look for the GLoan icon on your GCash dashboard. It might be under the Borrow or Financial Services section, depending on your GCash version. Tap on it. You'll be taken to the GLoan Dashboard. If you haven't applied for a GLoan yet, you'll see an Apply Now button. If you already have a GLoan, you'll see details about your existing loan. To convert Spaylater to GCash, we'll leverage GLoan. If you're eligible, you can apply for a new GLoan, or, if you already have one, try to increase your existing loan limit. Remember, your eligibility depends on your GCash usage and credit score. Once approved, select the loan amount you need. Consider the interest rates and repayment terms carefully before proceeding. Choose the option that best fits your budget and repayment capacity. After selecting your loan amount and terms, confirm your application. Once approved, the loan amount will be instantly disbursed to your GCash wallet. Now that you have the funds in your GCash wallet, you can transfer them to any bank account linked to your GCash, or send it directly to someone via GCash. You can then withdraw from the linked bank account or have the receiver cash it out, essentially converting your Spaylater into usable cash via GLoan. So, that's it, a simple yet effective way to instantly convert your Spaylater to GCash using GLoan. Remember to use this method responsibly and always repay your loans on time.